This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ancient grains. To begin, always consider the specific grain you're preparing, as cooking times and water ratios can vary significantly. We'll cover popular options like quinoa, farro, spelt, and millet, providing clear, step-by-step instructions. Understanding these fundamental techniques will empower you to effortlessly incorporate these nutritious powerhouses into your daily meals, enhancing both flavor and health benefits. Get ready to transform your pantry. Let's start with quinoa and farro. For quinoa, always rinse it thoroughly under cold water for at least 30 seconds to remove any bitter saponins. Then, combine 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water in a saucepan, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. For farro, soaking 1 cup in water for 30 minutes can reduce cooking time. Drain, then cook with 3 cups of water for 20 to 30 minutes until tender. Next up are spelt and millet. If you're using whole spelt, soaking it overnight is highly recommended to soften the grain and speed up cooking. After soaking, drain and cook 1 cup of spelt with 3 cups of water for approximately 60 minutes. For millet, a quick toast in a dry pan for a few minutes before adding 2.5 cups of water to 1 cup of grain will bring out its delightful nutty flavor. Simmer for about 20 minutes until fluffy. Now that you've mastered cooking these grains, let's explore how to enjoy them. Cooked ancient grains are incredibly versatile. Use them as a hearty base for vibrant salads, or add them to your favorite soups and stews for extra texture and nutritional boost. They also make excellent breakfast porridges, perhaps with some fruit and nuts, or can even be incorporated into baked goods. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days for quick meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.